Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be get ready with me for school. I am in college, so this is a makeup tutorial on how to look like you're awake when you're definitely not awake. This could be great for work, school, college, everyday look. This is just something, I have a few tips and tricks on how to look like you're a human being and not like you're a dead person. Just how to stay woke, I guess. This is like my go-to, every single day for classes to make me look like, yeah, I'm not an actual zombie. So yeah, let's just get right into it. So my first tip is shower the night before. This is because I am never going to get up early enough to shower, so I shower the night before, so that way my skin is completely clean and I don't have to worry about washing my face completely in the morning. I usually just use a toner or just rinse it with some water and then put on, some type of facial spray to help my skin out. And one of the facial sprays I literally love is the Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe and rose water. So yeah, I definitely recommend this. It literally is amazing, so I'm just going to spray that on right now. It just smells so good, and I just feel like that's what it makes me feel like. So yeah, then I just let that dry, and the great thing about this is you can put it on as it helps with moisturizing your skin, helps with brightening and all that. So it definitely can be used to prep your skin. So this is moisturizing and priming in one small step. And basically it saves you so much time because then I don't have to rub in my moisturizer and my primer. So I'm already pretty good, you know what I mean? So that's the first step that I do. And then I let that dry down. And for foundation, I don't typically use foundation because that takes forever. So what I do is I just take my Sephora Make No Mistake stick concealer. I definitely recommend stick foundations because they are so easy to apply. You don't have to worry about pumping it out, putting it on your hand, dotting on your face. You literally just go 1, 2, and you just put it on. So what I do with this is I really don't go heavy at all. I just put it on the areas that I need some brightening and color correcting, on your pimples, and then the areas where you want some brightness, make you look more awake. So yeah, this is the foundation and concealer stick, so I'm basically just using this as if it were a concealer. Just blend that all into my skin, and I'm just using my Morphe Y6 foundation brush. And the good thing too that I definitely suggest is finding a concealer or foundation, whatever you want to use, that completely matches your skin tone, so that when you're blending it out, it's not oh, you definitely have random spots of product on your face. No, you want something that's gonna blend into your skin, girl. Blend real nice into your skin. So yeah, I'm just buffing that out. I also put on my eyelids, acting as an eyeshadow primer, so then you're all set to go with that. And I definitely recommend this brush because it's just so easy. I did a review on it. If you want to check that out, I'll link it down below. This just really helps to blend everything really quick. You see, I'm literally done blending, and that is that. Then I just go back in if I want some more coverage. I do have problems with foundation and concealer going on my nose, so I just usually pat that in instead of moving the product around, just because my nose gets awkward and just rejects all product for some fucking reason. Okay, so that's that. Next, I just take any setting powder. It's definitely a really important step in my opinion because you want it to stay. You don't want to just spend that extra time to do your makeup and then it not stay the whole day. So I'm just taking my Maybelline Fit Me powder, and this is in shade 125 Nude Beige. And also this adds a little bit extra coverage. So since we didn't cover the whole face, this will just add just like a little bit extra coverage and make sure everything's really even. And I'm just using a Real Techniques powder brush to buff this in. Okay, so we are set. In my opinion, you don't need to go hard for contouring. Like, usually I just bronze up the skin because I look like a ghost right now. So I usually just, you know, take some bronzer and bronze up the skin really quick, not really paying too much attention to the detail or anything. So I'm just going to take my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, Real Techniques contouring brush, and I'm just going to go around in circular motions on all the places that I would normally contour, so it kind of looks like you did contour. It's just I'm not like spending too much time, like I'm just really slapping it on there. And this is just gonna give a really nice glow to the face, some warmth, so that you definitely look awake when you do this. And literally guys, when I tell you that this routine takes me 10 to 12 minutes, I'm not kidding. Like, I am not going too precise with any of this stuff. I'm really just like slapping it on there. So next, I like to do is I just take a beauty blender. This is by Morphe. It's really dirty, and I don't ever recommend using a really dirty beauty blender that's not wet. I'm completely violating all the laws on the beauty blender right now, but since I'm in a rush and I need to get ready for class, I literally just sweep this, cutting the bronzer, and bam, we are bronzed. We are getting ready to go, and we are going to slay this day. Next thing I do is I take blush. Really recommend the Milani Baked blushes for this because they do have a little bit of sheen into them, and they will really give you that like glow from within look, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm just going to apply that. The brush I'm gonna use, just this random blush brush. I really don't know where I got it, but it's just like a little angled brush, and I'm just gonna take the color Rosa Romantica, and I'm just going to dust this on the apples of my cheeks. And I don't know if you can see on camera, I do apologize for my lighting. I use natural lighting because I don't have beauty lights, so if you can't see this, I'm sorry, but I promise you it's really sheen looking, like really pretty on the skin. Like, you don't even have to highlight if you use this blush because it like is a built-in highlighter. You know me, girl, I need a extra highlighter on just a normal day, even though I'm going to class. I still got a glow. For highlighter today, I'm just going to take the highlighter that comes in the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit. It is running really low because I like it a lot, but there's still some in there that we can scrape, so we're going to do that. Yeah, I'm just going to put that on the high points of my cheekbones, above one eyebrow. I've been loving this technique lately. I literally just put highlighter on one side of my forehead, and it just gives such like a nice look because 1 second you're turning this way and the sun's really hitting you, and then this way, like just on the cheek. And I know it's not really like symmetrical, but I really like it, so I definitely recommend you guys like try that out because I feel like when I put highlighter on both points of my forehead, it can kind of look like oily or sweaty, or like you just kind of put glitter all over your face, but like by putting it on one side, it looks more natural, and it looks really pretty, so I definitely recommend that. So yeah, I'm just highlighting on all the places that I normally would, and I don't know, I feel like highlighting is so essential because it makes you look like, bam, like I'm here. The thing with eyebrows is I just need, like, I need my eyebrows on no matter what. Like, if I could only bring one product on a desert island, it would be my eyebrow pencil by Anastasia Beverly Hills, the Brow Wiz, because like, honey, like you can't sleep on that product. It's just done so much for me, you know? It really has. Like, it's like a best friend to me. She's like a girl I can talk to, like we can hang out, you know what I mean? Like, she's just like everything. But a nice tip for filling in your brows quickly is I don't really fill them in like I'm sure if you guys have seen my eyebrow tutorial that I filmed last week, you see like that was a process. I don't do that every day. When I'm in a rush and I gotta go like to my 9:40 class that I can barely wake up for, I gotta just fill them in lightly and naturally, you know? So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'll show you guys that now. Now I'm just gonna put my Benefit Gimme Brow over top, just to mimic some fibers in there. And yeah, that's the brows. And this sets them and adds color. So this is a great product. I definitely recommend this one. Eyeshadow. I always just use the bronzer that I used on my face for my eyeshadow. This is a great way to look like you actually tried, but you didn't. And I have two tricks I do. One, I take the same brush that I used to contour my face and I dab into the product, tap off all the excess, and literally go on my eyelid and just blend it on my eyelid. And as you can see, it looks like I blended that out in my crease. So I recommend, this is the sculpting contour brush by Real Techniques. I definitely recommend a small brush like this that will fit on your eye and not go too crazy. But yeah, like it literally looks like I blended that out. I was just telling you, you can use a brush, whatever you want, whatever floats your boat, girl. Whatever floats your canoe. Now on to mascara. This is the second to last step. For mascara, if you guys don't know already from my like 5 YouTube videos I've made so far, my favorite mascara in the entire world is the Gray Lash by Maybelline. It's this one that looks like this, the pointy triangle applicator. This just like gets in there. Like I don't even know. Like this, I've been using this since 7th grade. Like literally since 7th grade, I've been this is my holy grail. This is my second item I would bring if I was on a deserted island because this is like my lifesaver. I'm gonna apply this off of camera because you guys know how to apply mascara, but I will be right back. The lips I have is put on lip gloss. So I'm just going to take my Sephora Brilliant Lip Gloss in shade Shimmering Coral. This is what it looks like. It's super pretty. It's just like a pink nude gloss. And it gives color and a bit of shine. So it's just simple, you know what I mean? So, three final touches. This is optional stuff that I don't do every day, but just some tips because I just want to like let you guys know like what I do and like help you guys out. I'm just taking this Anastasia Beverly Hills brush, just like this flat little brush, and that same highlighter that I used to highlight my face. And I'm just going to pop that in the inner corner. This really opens up and brightens the eye, make you look more awake, makes the eyes look bigger and brighter. It's life-changing. So yeah. And then I also put that same color on the brow bone just to lift the brows up, make them look more defined. So the next tip I have is to take a nude liner. This is the Realize Waterproof Rimmel London liner in 005 Nude. And I'm just going to pop this on my waterline. And this is just going to make my eyes look even brighter and bigger. Okay, and the final step is to just spray yourself down one more time. And this is the finished makeup look, you guys. So, if I were to do this, it would probably take me 11 to 12 minutes. 15 minutes max if I want to do the waterline. I don't really always do the waterline. That's just like another tip that I found that worked for me to really open up my eyes and make everything look more bam, like I'm here, I'm awake, I'm ready to learn, I'm ready to work. People will be like, damn, like that girl like spent a lot of time getting ready this morning, but really you only took like 10 minutes, so like you're fooling everybody. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really had fun filming it because this is like really what I do for my makeup on a daily basis when I'm not going out doing special makeup, filming. Like this is literally like what I do every day. So I hope you guys learned from this video, like this video. Please comment down below what you guys want to see next. I need some ideas and I'd love to hear from you guys. And also follow me on my social media. Everything's linked down below. For my next video, I want to do a Q&A incorporated in that video. So please send me questions on my Snapchat or on my Instagram, or comment on this video some questions, because I would love to have you guys get to know me and do a little chit chat. So please let me know. But I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!